Kids love pikelets, so we packed this version full of veggies ready for lunchboxes and snack time. The grown-ups will love them too. To get started, combine the grated zucchini and carrot in a bowl with a small can of creamed corn, finely chopped broccoli and chopped chives. Add the flour, bicarbonate soda and grated cheese and stir to combine. Stir in the milk and the egg. Time to get cooking. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Place 3 1-tablespoon portions of the mixture in the pan. Space them out to allow room for spreading. Cook on both sides until golden and cooked through. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towel and repeat with the remaining oil and corn mixture. Serve these delicious pikelets warm or at room temperature with tomato salsa, or store away in the fridge or freezer as a handy standby that ticks all the boxes.